Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to put text and image side by side in Word. And you see this here example, you see this is image and this is text in side by side. This both image text and image or text will be side by side. So how to do it this and how to put this. So I will show you in easy method. Like firstly need to click on insert and a table, and here need to create this 2 by 1. Drag and drop this two columns and 2 by 1. Just click on it, select and click on it, and here need to see this like plus type this icon or see this. So just click on it and right click on it, just click and right click on it, and table properties, just click on it, and borders and shadings, just click on it, and none, you select here none. Okay, and now here you need to, and second method will be there, just double click on it, and here borders, select no borders. So this both method you can try. And now need to click on insert and pictures, and here you select your pictures, and you adjust this size. Okay, and right click on it, here second column, just click on it, and paste this text. So just paste your text here, and you can adjust this customize this text. You can justify here, you see this, just select and justify it. So very easily you can do this side by side image, and how put text and image side by side, very easy and a quick method. You can put side by side image and text both. So this way you can very easily do this. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.